Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Workspace Admin in two ways. Whether you're managing your organization's users, apps, or security settings, knowing both methods gives you flexibility to access your admin controls from anywhere. Let's start with the first method using your web browser. Open your browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is the direct gateway to your Google Workspace Admin console. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in as an administrator. Enter your Google Workspace Administrator email address and password. Make sure you're using your admin credentials here, not a regular user account, as only administrators have access to these powerful management tools. After entering your credentials, you may be asked to confirm your identity through two-step verification or other security prompts required by your organization. Complete these steps as prompted. This extra layer of security ensures that only authorized personnel can access sensitive administrative functions. Once you've cleared the security checks, the admin console homepage will load. You'll see various sections including users, apps, billing, security, and reports. This is your central hub for managing everything within your Google Workspace environment. Now let's look at the second method, which is particularly useful when you're on the go. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click the 9 dots icon. This opens the Google Apps menu. From here, tap on the Google Admin app icon. If you're using a mobile device, you can also download the dedicated Google Admin app from your App Store for even quicker access. Once the app opens, sign in using your Google Workspace Administrator email address and password, just like you did in the browser method. Again, you'll need to complete any security prompts such as two-step verification or app-specific authentication requirements. These security measures are crucial for protecting your organization's data. After signing in, you'll see the mobile admin dashboard with bottom navigation that gives you quick access to key sections like users, devices, apps, and security. The mobile interface is streamlined for quick administrative tasks. For example, you can tap on users to manage user accounts or modify settings on the fly. When you're finished with your admin tasks, make sure to sign out of the app or browser. This keeps your administrator account secure, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Thanks for watching.